Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I have a new design team kit from Cheaply Chic, and this one is called Rooted in Hope. So beautiful. As usual, she has a beautiful image here, the name of the collection, and then her letter on the back, and it's always so so inspiring. So I'm going to read that here in a bit. Just love it. It's kind of a little devotional in itself. Just always so beautiful. She's a wonderful writer. And then this collection looks like purples and yellows and pinks and kind of a floral, botanical maybe. So I'm excited to open this up. So here is the journal. We'll go ahead and open this. I always try not to rip it. So you can definitely use a tissue paper, like when you're collaging. You can make like just little cover page. So pretty, look at that. Beautiful. Now, I already got a sneak peek of this because I watched her video. But, oh, this is so cool. So there's a gardening themed paper. I don't remember the paper collection. I know she said it, but yeah. I don't know if it was, I'm not sure. But she used a crocheted piece back here, a doily, some vines, and then this fabric ruffle down here with the collection name Rooted in Hope, and it's sewn all the way around. And then, as usual, her books are blank with different like tea stained, coffee stained papers, and there's an envelope, a bag. I think there was an envelope in here, just the bag there. A gardening page, music sheet, another piece of scrapbook paper, and these are the perfect size to go in your traveler's notebook, I believe. I think this is 8.5 and then 4 1/4, I believe. So very awesome. Very pretty. And here's the ephemera collection. I will have a link for her YouTube channel, as well as her Etsy shop down below if you want to check out the things that she has in her shop. I believe she's sold out of this one, but we're making videos, and you can take the video ideas and use it for anything. Maybe you have a previous collection, maybe you have just your own junk journal supplies at home that you can use with the ideas that I am coming up for this. So let's pull this out and find out all the goodies that she sent me. Okay, so this wonderful little pack here, it's attached with the gold paper clip, and I just love the way she packages everything. It just comes together so nicely, and the presentation is just beautiful. Here is a beautiful pack of yarns and eyelash trims and things that goes really nice with the colors. And then there's another little glassine bag with some gold paper clips, and then here is the charmed bookmark. Here is a vintage playing card that is floral themed. And then here's this lovely bag of goodies. And this I think is really cool. It is a gardening name tag that you can put like in your garden, but we'll be using it in the journal. You can add like a caption or, you know, a little picture, whatever you want on there. That's pretty cool. And then this has a bunch of fun stuff in it. I'll open it up here. So there's tickets of different colors. These are more little gardening tags. I think that's a fun idea to do with this collection especially. Here's some colored labels, some itty bitty little bags. I remember when she opened these up in her, or showed us in her original video, but those are so tiny. They're like an inch wide and maybe 3 inches long, but the smallest itty bittiest little tiny glassine bags. So there's a pink and a green in there. There's some more tags, scallop tag, some cut aparts from the collection, Bloom and Grow. I wonder if that was the name. I'll have to rewatch her video, find out the collection of paper that she used, but this is beautiful. Double-sided paper. There's some mason jar punch outs, and then some style tags, price tags, and then other little punch outs. And then here is another bundle of goodies. This is a vintage post-it note, guest check, and then in here are some more large tags. There's a memory decks card, a couple craft envelope or little envelopes. This is a glassine envelope, the library card, and library card pocket, flash card, another craft envelope. She stamped these really cute gardening little girl there. That's adorable. And then a bunch more of these different garment tags. And then here is a time card and then a tag out of the paper. That's neat. And then in this section, there's a doily, a napkin that's so cute, another napkin that's really cute. And here is some of the paper. There's 2 pieces. This I love. I love the vintage truck. I think that's so cool. So those 2 papers. There's a CD envelope, a green envelope. These are the big stickers. They're big sale stickers. And you can, I'm not sure if this comes, I guess you just cut them out. But you could use these to stamp and then just cut pieces off of it, whatever. Get creative with that. And then here's a vintage speller, like a dictionary kind of page. A yellow glass, it's a yellow paper sack. A gardening page, vintage gardening page. Another vintage dictionary page. Gardening book page. And then this is a tree and shrubs encyclopedia page. And then the last piece is this vintage wallpaper. Very cool. So, a beautiful collection. I can't wait to get started on this. Follow along because, you know, I always do like 2 to 3 videos of doing different things with either pages or embellishment ideas for your junk journals. It could be for any journal that you're working on if you weren't able to pick up this collection. So, yeah. Hopefully you come back. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.